Bonjour, I'm Tim.
I'm Karen.
And welcome to the Season 1 wrap-up of Living a French Life. Well, we are in the house, and it has been quite the summer. As you can see, it's a little rough.
We are a little rough. We've been camping for 2 months now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, and we definitely took a more relaxed version of the summer. We were lucky. Our son was able to come and join us from university, and that was great. And so,
Moral of the story is
vacation's over.
Vacation's over. We have got to get back to work. And also, we had a terribly hot and dry summer all over Europe. And now the rains are starting to come back, the temperatures have cooled, and it's much easier to do some of the hard labor work we have to do.
So just wanted to put an exclamation point on Season 1 of Living a French Life to show you how we got from where we started to where we are now. So, allons-y. Bonjour, we're Tim and Karen, and we moved 2 dogs and 2 cats across 2 oceans and a continent and found ourselves in Southwest France, where we bought this 300-year-old house.
This is my favorite part of the house.
Today's project is going to be working on the floor.
And what we'd like to do is to take out that center wall.
There's a lot of good wood left in here.
Bonjour!
Today we're going to visit a large bricolage.
There's no floor up here. Bonjour, I'm Karen.
And I'm Tim.
I have a lot of desires that I want to fit into this small garden space.
Hey, guess who's back?
The other side, see if I can get you. Come on, Essie.
Old guys 1, brick wall 0. So clearly, we've done a few things.
We have.
And we've got a lot more to come. It's been great being in the space for as much of the summer as we have, but it also underlines the fact that there's a lot yet to do.
Oh my goodness, there's so much to do.
We still need a shower.
Oh, we need everything.
Maybe a place that I could see a mirror and shave.
I am ready for a proper bathroom other than the garden hose for my shower. And it's
Or
now-
sneaking off to the campground.
Oh yeah, we've been doing that too. We've done a lot of the work that has to do with the fundamentals of the house, the foundation, the mechanicals. I'm ready to do some of the fun stuff in Season 2.
Yes, Karen has her wheelhouse is the decorating and designing of the space, and that's this next season. We're going to start getting into some of that.
I'm ready.
Yeah, had some setbacks. We're going to have to redo the rez-de-chaussee floor. I'm sad to say, when I fell through the floor the second time. One time maybe a bad board. Second time, well, that's something systemic. And
Yeah, we're gonna have to redo that floor.
yeah, but we're already in process on that,
Yes.
so that'll be good.
Yes.
But what's your big takeaway, do you think, from Season 1?
I think what I learned was that you need to create a master plan. You need to have a place where you take all your mood boards or your pins or your pictures you tear out of magazines and create a master plan. And then from there, you need to capture and prioritize what's most important. And you gotta be flexible. I mean, we would have liked some really nice bling for the kitchen faucet and the bathrooms, but what we really need is good quality insulation. So you have to make decisions about that. You gotta be flexible. I think that's what I learned most about that.
Well, that's good. For me, I like I like having to just keep my eye on the entire project at one time. Something that I'm doing over here by this window, for some strange reason, ties into the second floor bathroom, just based on how things are connected. And it's a lot to keep in your head, but you know, that's why you have the plan.
Yep, flexibility. I think that's most important. And even though we talk about the journey, that the journey is better than the destination, I don't think that applies to house renovation. I've changed my mind about that.
Okay.
I am now ready for some destination in season 2.
That sounds good. Coming up in season 2, you can look forward to a couple of really interesting things. Of course, we talked about the floor. We'll be doing that. What else?
We're going to be doing the whole kitchen design and talk about how you can repurpose things to get a look at a great look at a fraction of the price.
Very good. We're also going to show you a little bit of our origin story. This is our 9th house that we've done, and we've got old photos.
Oh no, he's breaking out the photos.
Of a younger, slimmer Tim. And
oh my gosh. And I didn't have so much gray hair. I think I have more gray hair since over the last 2 months, but
it's possible. Also, it appears to be that there is an SE wood cook stove in our future.
Hopefully before the first flurries start flying.
Yeah, we'll more as that develops.
So we've got a lot for season 2, don't we?
Yeah, we do. It should be fun and should be excited. Thanks for coming along on the journey. We'll do our best to keep you updated on what's going on.
How do they do that?
Well, that's a good question. How do they do that? So make sure that you like and subscribe and tell a few friends about the video. Click the little bell icon so you get the notifications when the videos drop, and you'll know all about it. Love to hear your comments. We've had a lot of people wondering, you know, what's with this vacation, this summer vacation? Let's get some more videos. We've had quite a few messages about that.
Vacation is over. We were slightly distracted, but it's time to get going again.
So, until next time on Living a French Life.
À tout à l'heure.
We're going to talk about what drives our decisions on whether what ever happened.
Welcome to episode 5.
Sorry, I was making a face.
Okay. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome.
No, stop. I don't know what I was supposed to say. Bonjour. Okay.
Gwen's trying to be in the
Gwen, Gwen, it's not time for your close-up.
Yes. Oh.
Just get on, go on. Okay. Make sure you like and subscribe. Click the little bell icon to make sure that you...
I'm booping the button.
Okay. Congratulations, by the way, on holding the phone sideways.
Yes, look at that.
I'm helping Tim.
Lucy has decided that YouTube is her thing. She has to be in all the videos now.
Yeah, well, you know. Okay, we'll pause it. Go look at it.